Dear friends, we are studying in class 7, 4th chapter simple equations. And in this, we are studying exercise 4.3 and we have the third question. Solve the following equation. First is 4 is equal to 5 in bracket p minus 2. Now, let us see how to solve. Earlier questions, if you see, variables were given to the left hand side and constants were given to the right hand side. So here, it is opposite the case. We are given variable to the right hand side and constant is to the left hand side. So you can solve it as it is, or you can take this left hand side to the right hand side and right hand side to the left hand side. Please try to understand. If x is equal to 2, it means 2 is equal to x. So even if you change the sign, equality remains equality. So if x is equal to 2, it means 2 is equal to x. So if this is equal to this, it means 5 in bracket p minus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, we can write this equation as 5 in bracket p minus 2 is equal to 4. Now, we can solve it as earlier. So, first thing is we need to eliminate 5. To eliminate 5, divide both sides of equation. Divide both sides of equation by 5. So, you will get 5 in bracket p minus 2 upon 5 is equal to 4 upon 5. Now this 5 eliminates with this 5, we will get p minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 5. Now this 2 is subtracted from left hand side. So if you transpose to the right hand side, we can solve the equation. Now this is negative. So when it is transposed to the right hand side, it will become positive. We will get, after transposing negative 2, transpose negative 2 to RHS. So p minus p 2 is carried to that side, you will get 4 upon 5 plus 2. Now denominators are not same, so we cannot do the addition of the fraction before doing the denominator same. For this we need to multiply, cross multiply, you will get 4 plus 10 upon common denominator 5, that is equal to 14 upon 5. So we have what? P is equal to 14 upon 5. Let us check whether our solution is correct or not. So for checking, we have put P is equal to 14 upon 5 in LHS. So we will get 5 in bracket 14 upon 5 minus 2. This is our LHS. Now, in order to solve the bracket first, we need to cross multiply this. So you will get 5 in bracket 14 upon 5 minus 10 upon 5. That is equal to 5 in bracket 4 upon 5. Please note, numerator 5 is at the numerator and 5 is at the denominator. So this eliminates each other. Answer is 4. That is equal to RHS. Please try to understand. LHS is equal to RHS. It means our solution is correct. Thus, P is equal to 14 upon 5 is the solution of given equation. Dear friends, we have the second question. B question is same, only sign is changed. Negative 4 is equal to 5 in bracket p minus 2. Let us see how to solve. So here again, if you carry left hand side, we have what? Negative 4 is equal to this, it means this must be equal to this. So we will get 5 into p minus 2 is equal to negative 4. I am purposefully writing with the black pen so you can understand what are the changes in this problem and the earlier problem. So here again we have to do the first step as it is. Divide. We have to eliminate these 5. To eliminate these 5, divide both sides of equation by 5. So you will get left hand side as it is. But right hand side will be negative 4 divided by 5. Now this 5 eliminates this 5. So you will get negative 4 upon 5. Now transpose again to the right hand side. Negative 2 is transposed to the right hand side. So if negative will become positive, you will get this negative 4 upon 5 plus 2. Now understand, in order to make the denominator same, here we'll get negative 4 plus 10, that is equal to 6 upon 5. Positive 6 upon 5. 10 minus 4 is 6 and 5 as it is. So here we have got the solution as 6 upon 5. Let us check whether this solution is correct or not. So for this, put 6 upon 5 in LHS. When you put 6 upon 5 in LHS, our LHS was 5 in bracket p minus 2. So I have put in at the place of p, I have put 6 upon 5, that is, so I will get 6 upon 5 minus 2. Now we need to solve the bracket first, so this is equal to 6 upon 5, again make the denominator same, so you get 6 minus 10 upon 5. So this will be 6 minus 10 is, both are having opposite sign, so we have to do subtraction. 10 minus 6 is 4 and give the sign of bigger magnitude integer. So here again we will get negative 4 upon 5. This 5 eliminates with this 5 and we have got answer negative 4. Let us check. So we have got RHS is equal to negative 4. We have put P equal to 6 upon 5 in LHS and we have got it equal to RHS. It means LHS is equal to RHS. So thus, since LHS is equal to RHS, we can say our solution P is equal to 6 upon 5 is correct. Thus P is equal to 6 upon 5 is the solution of given equation. Dear friends, we have next C number question from the third question, as 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 in bracket t plus 2. Now please try to understand, we have got LHS is equal to RHS, it means RHS is also equal to LHS. So you will get 4 plus 3 in bracket t plus 2 is equal to 16. Please note here, we have written 16 is equal to this, so it means this is equal to 16. So let us see how to solve this problem. Now understand, here 4 is far away, so we need to transpose 4 first. So in order to transpose 4, let us write the set. Transpose 4 to RS. Transpose 4 to RHS. So when we transpose 4 to the RHS, this will remain as it is. We will get 3 in bracket t plus 2 is equal to 16 minus 4. It was positive, so after changing the sign, it becomes negative. Now this is equal to 3 in bracket t plus 2 is equal to 16 minus 4 is 12. Now try to understand. Here 3 in bracket t plus 2 is equal to 12. So this can be reduced by dividing 3. 3 is the common multiplier. So we need to eliminate 3 first. To eliminate 3, divide both sides of equation by 3. So divide both sides of equation. Both sides of equation by 3. So we will get 3 in bracket t plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 12 upon 3. So please note, this 3 eliminates with this 3. You will have 3 4s are 12, so answer is 4. It means t plus 2 is equal to 4. Now if you transpose 2 to the right hand side, this side only t will be left, and that was the only question asked. Find the solution means we have to find the value of the variable, that is t in this case. Now transpose 2 to RHS. Transpose 2 to right hand side of the equation. So you will get t is equal to 4 minus 2. That is equal to 2. Now we have got t is equal to 2. So t is equal to 2. Let us check whether our solution is correct or not. Put t is equal to 2 in LHS. For checking, put t is equal to 2 in LHS. So LHS was 4 plus 3 in bracket t plus 2. Let us check whether we get the solution. Now we have written t is equal to 2. So put t is equal to 2. Put t is equal to 2. So we'll get, we have already written, this is equal to 4 plus 3 in bracket 2 plus 2. That is equal to 4 plus 3 in bracket 4. Please note here, we need to solve bracket first, then we need to solve multiplication first, then we have to add. So this is equal to 4 plus 12, that is equal to 16. It means that is equal to RHS. Thus, we have got left hand side is equal to our right hand side. So hence it means that our solution t is equal to 2 is correct. Thus t is equal to 2 is the solution of given equation.